of you have had a bad experience with the chatbot where the bot doesn't answer your question and you can't get through to an agent, or if you do, you then spend another 5 minutes regurgitating all of that same information to an agent again. Well, those experiences will be a thing of the past. And one of the great things about modern workforce management platform that is built for in-house BPO and AI agents holistically is understanding how well staffed your support team is. And if an AI agent can't easily solve an issue, who they should route a case to. There are some black and white examples that you probably already know. If your support team only works 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., you can leverage AI agents to handle cases outside of these hours. And while AI can resolve a lot of these cases, it can't resolve all of them. And so we provide the ability for AI to capture customer information for when your agents next come online, they can reach back out to those end users. So is AI a silver bullet in this case? No, but addressing 2/3 of customer issues outside of business hours is a big win. But one of the examples that we hear a lot from customers is, hey, I'm running a sale this week, and I don't want to temporarily hire more agents. What can Assemble do to help? And this is a great example of you don't have enough support agents to handle all of the inbound volume, and AI cannot automatically resolve every case. So we built a new feature called dynamic handoffs that puts you in control of how and when AI hands off to a support agent. For example, if your team is slammed and a customer wants to get through to an agent, we can accurately share back with the customer how long the wait time will be to chat with a representative. And if they don't want to wait, we can capture callback information. Or conversely, maybe one of your teams is sufficiently staffed and already exceeding their SLA targets. Well, you can set thresholds of when and to whom your AI should transfer the call. And if your phone team is overstaffed, but those agents have the skills to handle chat, Assembled can intelligently route those cases to available agents. And this is really the power of modern workforce management, again, that's built for AI. AI agents provide 24/7 coverage. They lighten the load of the cases they can hit, can continue to provide a stellar customer experience throughout the day, and intelligently bridge the gap between a conversation that may start with AI and ultimate resolution with a human agent. All right, now remember that painful experience that I talked about a few minutes ago where you provided all the information to your chat agent, only to have to do so again to a human agent? Well, that is a thing of the past. Agents who are now picking up a conversation that was started with AI receive a detailed audit log of the prior conversation, along with an AI summary of the key issues and where they need to pick up the conversation to provide the best support and resolve the customer issue most effectively. And this ensures that your customers get the fastest, highest quality resolution in the case that AI can't handle all of it on its own.